Hello everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the March 2025 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all 6 subscription options, the card kit of the month, the fancy dies of the month, the Clear Set Plus dies of the month, the cling of the month, the layering stencils of the month, and the whole studio, all 5 subscriptions in one. Let's dive right in and start with the card kit of the month. This month's kit includes the Bows and Messages Clear Stamp Set, 10 Bows and Messages Coordinating Dies, the Bow Tag Clear Stamp Set, 4 Bow Tag Coordinating Dies, Ribbons Cover Plate Die, Thin Stripes Stencil, 2 Bows Rub-On Transfers, 6 sheets of colored cardstock, and pastel pearl embellishments. Starting off with the Bows and Messages Stamp Set. This 6x8 clear stamp set comes with 10 coordinating dies. Use the dies to die cut out the large scripty words and then pair them with some of the linear sub-sentiments to create your own custom sentiment perfect for numerous occasions. There's also dies that die cut out these beautiful bows. These bows make pretty accents but also can be grouped together to create the focal point for your card. Next, we have the Bow Tag Stamp Set. This 4x6 clear stamp set has a large bow image, and all the sentiments are slightly curved to fit on the tails of the bow. The Bow Tag Coordinating Dies will die cut out that large bow image, but the die also includes a little notch to easily turn this bow into a tag. There's additional decorative elements that you can add to the bow, and you can also use these elements to cover up that notch or simply cut that notch off if you don't want to use it as a tag. Next up, we have the Ribbons Cover Plate Die. This large 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 die cuts a beautiful ribboned window and also includes 4 additional dies that you can use to create a layered bow to add to your frame. The card kit also includes this thin striped stencil, which you can use to add pattern and texture to your bows or your backgrounds. Next up, we have 2 sheets of this beautiful Bows Rub-On Transfers included in your kit. Also included is this beautiful pack of color coordinating heavyweight cardstock. And our last item in the card kit is this beautiful pack of pastel pearl embellishments. Use these pearls to add a little bit of shimmer and shine to your projects. Now that we've looked at the entire contents of the March card kit of the month, let's move on to our other subscription options, our monthly minis, starting off with our fancy dies of the month. The Suitcase and Florals die set builds a beautiful and detailed circular suitcase that you can then embellish with some of the additional dies included in the set, like this beautiful layered bow and florals. Our next monthly mini is the Clear Set Plus dies of the month. The Hatbox Stamp Set is a 4x6 clear stamp set that has some beautiful hatbox images as well as florals and even a bow. The dies will cut out all of the images as well as the 3 sentiments. Build some beautiful Mother's Day cards or just Hello Friend cards with this gorgeous stamp set. Our next monthly mini is the Cling Stamp of the month. This 6x6 red rubber cling stamps creates a beautiful bow background filled with a variety of bow styles and patterns. Color these with your favorite coloring medium or pair with a variety of techniques to create stunning backgrounds. And our final monthly mini is the Layering Stencil of the month. The It's Your Day stencils is a 4-piece layering stencil set with each stencil layer containing registration marks, making it very easy to align. Use this stencil to build a lovely ribboned sentiment as well as some confetti accents. Now let's wrap things up with our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 of the monthly subscriptions in one glorious and discounted buy, and Whole Studio subscribers also receive a bonus monthly item. This month's Whole Studio bonus item is the bow die. This bow die creates a lovely 3-dimensional bow. Die cut the 2 dies out of cardstock. I chose colored cardstock. Now I'm using the handle of a paintbrush to help me curve and curl these portions of the bow. This will just help it to come together without creases. Now that that's curled, I'm going to take little bits of score tape, place it at the center of the bow, and then start to fold in my sections of the bow to kind of bring this 3D bow to life. Starting with the bottom 2, and between each part I'm putting another little piece of score tape just to hold everything down. I've got the 2 final loops here of the bow to do. Then we'll have this long piece that's kind of sticking out that will wrap around the center of the bow and really clean it all up and make it nice and tidy. Use a final little piece of tape to hold it down and then glue the tails to the back, and you have this beautiful 3-dimensional bow. And that completes our closer look at the March Hero Studio release. Be sure to check out our blog hop today celebrating this incredible release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your March Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. And as a reminder, this card kit of the month, the monthly minis, and the Whole Studio are in limited supply, so once we sell out, we are out and the products will not be restocked. Sign up for your subscription today to guarantee your kit. Receive special discounts as well as free shipping on your subscriptions. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.